All right, so today is Saturday and we have spent a little bit too much time out on the road trying to figure out last few things that we need to buy for the kitchen. And I wanted to show you a little bit of the progress that we have had after coating the middle island. It has been looking really good. Let me show you really quick. See, it has like a somewhat a dull shine, which I really like. I don't like it to be too shiny, and it is very well done, I think, as far as the quality of the product, more than how we did it. And we use water locks, and it has been exceptionally good. I have tried with all kinds of other stuff and it didn't work, but it worked with that. And we did 4 coats. It asked for 3 coats for hardwoods and 4 for softwoods, and I did 4 even though ours is hardwood, just to be extra careful, I guess, about it, or prepared, or anyway. So now what we're doing is we spend, as you saw earlier, a little bit of time trying to find things. And I'm wanting to do the backsplash of this, so I've started putting a little bit of a border all the way around. And then we found this really pretty tiles that they are dark blue and kind of shiny, and I can't wait to put them all up. So that's what I'm going to be doing here for a little while. All right, this is the last piece. I guess it's kind of hard trying to put the last piece holding your cell phone. But here we go. I think it looks really nice.
It's amazing. So pretty.
Alright, so I'm working on patching some of these holes. Did a patch there. There's quite a bit of a difference in some of the sides, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do this better. But I'm trying to do a round one here, and I have been watching online a little bit about how to do this in a different way without using screws and nails, and I'm going to try it. I've tried it on the square one, I've never tried it on the round one. So I went ahead and I drew by using the candle. I drew a circle because I put that up to the hole and it was about the same size. It was a little bit shorter, which is good. So I made this hole a little bit smaller than the hole up there, or the circle. And then I cut with my X-Acto knife this way. And so I've been breaking all around. And I'm gonna go ahead and, I've seen people just, and like I said, I've done that before. You are very careful when you do this, and you peel it slowly off the paper to keep the paper on there. And so that part is not terribly difficult to do. The problem is accidentally breaking it or ripping it. I'm gonna try my best not to. And let's see how it goes. Let's see what it looks like here. So eventually I'll go ahead and sand it, and then I'll do a couple more layers on it, but it's already fixed up there. Unfortunately, at least I haven't been able to do it with a really much larger patches like that one. That one is about a 10 by 10 square roughly. So I'll have to do the whole, as you can see, I have screws and everything. And then eventually I have to deal with this too, but I still need to get the, I have the vent, the metal part of the old vent in there. And it's too hot to go to the attic right now. But I want to show you, it's a little bit dark, but I want to show you an older one that I did. Haven't painted over it yet. But as you can see, this one, and this is only one pass. I haven't sanded it or anything, but it looks pretty decent for one pass. I'm going to dry it up. I mean, it's dried up, but I'm going to sand it down, and then I'm just going to cover it again. And then eventually we're going to be painting this room anyway. But yeah, I think that patch is looking better than I expected it to, honestly. So that was a pretty busy weekend. Even though maybe in the video it didn't look like we did a lot, we had to do a lot behind the scenes. I'm glad that I finished up that backsplash, and of course it's time to go to work now. But it's exciting. The only other thing, big thing that we have left really is to do the counter of the other is to do the counter that is where the sink is, but we've been running into the problem of not finding a 10-foot piece for butcher block, and I don't want to do 2 pieces because I don't want it to have an ugly split somewhere in the middle. So I was told of a place nearby that I'm gonna go ahead and look and check to see if they have a 10-foot piece, and if they do, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch it up whenever we can, and then I might try to go after work one of these days and then come in and start installing that so it can be done. So let's see how that comes out. Hopeful. I'm looking forward to the big stuff being done.